Hey, it's Barb. I just wanted to show you how narrow the pathways are, and then if housekeeping is
Women are
out.
fantastic at that. Yes. She's trying.
Hello.
Hi. So if we're traveling down the hallway and we run into
Are you gonna eat this
a
time?
maid's cleaning thing, whatever you call, see it up ahead. So that is what I have to deal with, trying to get around things without
Always things that are
bothering
just bus
people.
collectors, that's all
And
they
we're
are.
gonna try our
Suction.
best to go here. Hey babe, can you like help me out, because I'm seeing stuff that I cannot, even that wheel is kind of like limiting me to what I can get in here. Thank you, baby. Oh, baby, I love you.
Come on, you're driving
Okay,
crazy. You're pointing on
we're
the floor.
just
Why are
going
you pointing on the
so
floor?
people can see what I'm dealing with.
You can't see nothing when you're pointing on the floor.
Okay, did you see that? No. Okay, no. All right, well, I just wanted to show you how narrow the halls are. Bye.